Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be telling you all about what came in my package for Adventures in U.S. History from My Father's World. I purchased Adventures in U.S. History used because this is a one-time type curriculum that you do with one of your children once before you move into the family unit usually. And so there are a ton of used options for this curriculum pack. So if you are looking at using Adventures in U.S. History, I'd highly recommend checking out the swap pages on like Facebook and stuff like that, because you'll be able to find quite a bit at a good rate. And if you want to buy it new, then that works fine too, but you can get it for a decent price and with most of the materials from used people. So that's what I did to save a little bit of money. We decided to purchase this program used, and because it's used, it's a few years old, so some of the this one was copyrighted. It's from 2013. So some of the books that I have will be different from if you buy them new from My Father's World. So I was going to show you what came with the package. This is the teacher's manual, and it has, let me show you, it is set up like this for each week. It's technically a 4-day plan with a few things that you do on the 5th day. We are a 4-day homeschool family, and so we will be utilizing that routine and then just doing the extra things either on another day, just like read 2 chapters one day, or we will do those things on Friday or over the weekend. So that's how that goes. It is set up like most of the other curriculum from My Father's World, where they have the things that you need for that week, and then you go in, sorry, there's a glare, then daily things that you need to know for the curriculum. So that is in there, just like any other curriculum from them. There is a book list in the back, which is a wonderful book list. They have some really great recommendations for books. So that is the teacher's manual. I purchased some extra things. When I bought this, my package came with a placemat map from when I purchased it used, and then because I have 3 kids, I purchased 2 extras just so that everybody had their own and would be able to play with theirs as well. I then also ordered student sheets for my 2 who will be really doing the work. My kindergartner will be doing stuff with us, and with my 2nd grader. So I bought 2 sheets. There are some like notebooking pages, and in those notebooking pages I'll have her color, and then I will have her dictate to me what she would like me to what she would like to say, and we'll just modify those things for her in that way. But she is going to have to do this part of school with us. It's going to be part of her curriculum as well, just modified for her. So that's Adventures in U.S. History. These are the student sheets. There's also this book that is written by My Father's World called The Story of the U.S. And I believe that one comes with you guys, with yours. Let me pull out the catalog. Yeah, that one comes with it. So, The Story of the United States. And then there's the American Pioneers and Patriots, which is written by Christian Liberty Press. And this is the textbook. It's the only real textbook that goes with the story, with the curriculum. There is also, I'm trying to see if this came with it. this maps sticker pictures. I only have one, which I may regret just because my kids may want to both have their own. So I may be purchasing an extra one, but they're stickers to be placed on this map, which looks really cool. So I'll probably add that. The Thanksgiving story. I also received the 4th of July story, but I have that in another location that I can't find at the moment. North American Indians, which is a really fun book. I've already looked at that one. For science, there is First Encyclopedia of Science, which is an Usborne book. There is Science in the Kitchen and Science with Air. And then there is this tag-along guide, Birds and Nests and Eggs. So we'll be looking at studying birds this year, as well as a magnet kit. I don't have that with me because it was the person I got it from didn't have it well packaged in the box anymore, so I have those pieces in our science area. It also came with Nutcracker Ballet book, and then the read alouds. Now, this book right here is Squanto. This book I believe is out of print, and so my curriculum has it, but they have a different book for, I think it's the Pilgrim's Adventure is what they replaced it with for newer versions. Then Courage of Sarah Noble, On the Banks of Plum Creek, the Sarah Whitaker story, Farmer Boy, and Mountain Born. So those are the stories that we have. Oh, and we don't have Grandmother's Attic. That must be an add-on as well. But I've heard great things about it, so I may just add that into our curriculum. We also have the soda bottle feeder, bird feeder, which you do during the bird unit. And then we have our Bible, the Discover's Bible. This is the Reader's Edition for early readers, but it's the whole Bible. So it's just, I think the wording is a little bit larger, but it's the New International Reader's Version. So it's a large print Bible for early readers. So this will be my son's Bible for this year, and I'm looking forward to him gaining confidence in reading the Word of God. So that's going to be really cool. Sorry, as I bend down. We also have Patriarch Songs CD. We have a Tchaikovsky CD, which we had this one, which comes with the curriculum, and this one I was sent as a part of when I bought it used. So it doesn't look like they opened it, but they put it in there. So that is what came. Oh, and I do have the art portion that I can do all things art curriculum. We won't be using this curriculum because we will be doing art at our co-op and as a part of my Father's World Kindergarten activities that we do together. So we won't be doing this official art this year unless something changes, but that came with it as well. So those are the things that came with the package. Like I said, there are a few things that are different from yours, but it's mostly just the read alouds. So down here, and those are things. There's some breaks in the curriculum because I was just going over it, where you can add in your own read alouds, and you can also they've taken some of these books and they've really split them down where you only read one chapter a day. And in all honesty, my kids don't really appreciate when I only read one chapter. If we have time, we try and read two. So I have a feeling we'll get through more books than they say. So I'm going to add some other books in throughout our lesson too with another program that I will be sharing here shortly. But that is what came with Adventures in U.S. History from My Father's World. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be seeing you soon. Thanks.